and welcome back to the channel, Krumka family. Today we are making pizzas with one of the best fast food chains in America, in my opinion.
Yes, I mean, they have them in Europe too, I think.
They do?
Yeah, I think, I'm pretty sure.
No,
I could be wrong.
You're wrong. Canada.
No, I know they have one in Canada.
Okay.
For sure.
Well, you'll see after this. Moment you've been waiting for, everyone.
Right.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chick-fil-A.
Oh, look at this. This is the kind of fries that they gave me. Look at that.
Well, I also made Athena like too.
That's where they go all the
time. All right, but let me show you what I have for my pizza first. So I'm using the chicken. Oh,
we lost a nugget.
The chicken nuggets and fries, of course, and also taking the show over here.
Her choice of her meat. Sorry, I don't know.
What?
That was weird. So
it's yours.
Her choice of meat was the nuggets. Mine is the strip. So mine is the spicy strips. I got those with the fries. And then she's using what, ranch and
buffalo sauce.
Buffalo sauce on her pizza, like.
Yeah, I'm using as my sauce. I'm using buffalo sauce and ranch here.
She's gonna do like half and half with the pizza.
The best combo ever.
And I'm splitting mine in half. And I'm doing barbecue sauce and Chick-fil-A sauce. So we're about to see how this rolls. And then we got the coconut oil for the crust.
Oh no.
We got it all. You ready?
Yeah, we are ready to go, everyone.
All right, let's open this bad boy. I don't even know what to open this. Oh my goodness. What are you doing here? That didn't work.
Start here. Who's faster?
Me.
Oh! We lost you there.
You gotta put that in the video. Long.
You spray mine. Don't get on my nose. Okay.
Bang.
Bada boom, bada bing, bada boom.
Alright, so we got your.
Well. Also, if you agree that Chick-fil-A is the best in the world, comment down below.
I think a lot of people would.
I think so. Are you joking? It honestly is all around the best, like, for sure.
You can't beat it.
So I guess our pizzas are gonna be squared, a little different than the, average pizza, but this is mine so far.
Look at that.
That looks really good, babe.
Matches the tray almost.
I guess
this is about to be this is about to be like a cracker crust pizza.
You're a cracker crust.
Thanks, babe. I appreciate it. Crackers are amazing.
So how are we putting this in the oven? That's the real question. Like this?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna start mine.
Figure it out though.
We don't actually know what we're doing yet, so. Do you have a knife?
Can
you give me a knife?
I said at the beginning of the video that I would give you a knife.
Where? Here. Oh, thanks, babe.
Just to smooth
out
the
wait, am I
sauce.
supposed to put something on there first? Well, I guess I shouldn't ask you.
Good save.
Why are you putting coconut oil?
So I don't want to put butter on it. I'm doing like a garlic salt.
I'm gonna get avocado. Just kidding, I'm not. I'm gonna leave. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is cut my nuggets because you don't want like too big of nuggets on there, right? Oh my god, are you coloring your feet?
Yeah.
You're nuts. You're a mess. You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, here.
Garlic meat.
It's
So
okay,
we
don't worry
got
about that.
Chick-fil-A.
So I'm cutting the chicken with Athena because we're gonna help each other, right? Okay, wait, no, stop.
I gotta pop the top on it, man.
And then, yeah.
Here. See.
Also, while Sean and I are doing this, we're gonna rank the best fast food places 1 through 10. Stop! She's trying to cut my chicken and it's not working.
What's this?
Okay, you can see it. One sec.
Why?
Let me go first.
Sorry.
We go first. Let me go first.
Sorry.
Okay.
We need a lot more.
Mine.
of this.
Mine.
Okay, you can have some.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I need a
Should
spoon.
sit
Can you grab
definitely.
me a spoon?
Yeah.
Sorry. Alright.
Don't forget, we have to do these things at the end. We have a
Do what
surprise at the
things?
end.
We do?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it looks beautiful, right? Also,
We could add it or not add it. You could
okay, number one food place for you, Sean.
Number one?
Yeah.
Man. Okay, so it honestly changes like a decent amount. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Okay, what's your first one right now then?
Probably Chick-fil-A, like as of right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so honestly, okay, no.
Oh, this is the barbecue. Duh.
Honestly,
Mommy,
mine, okay, you can go
inside.
like this though. Go like this, okay? No, you can't do that. You can't do that. Go like this. Here. Ready? Shh. Mine would be Culver's for sure.
Oh, that's like definitely a close second.
Yeah. And then Chick-fil-A. What's your second? Culver's?
Yeah.
Ew.
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 Wipe it on your shirt for now. We'll wash that. Okay.
Sorry.
Here you go. Here.
I need a spoon. I feel like it would be definitely easier
So
to spread.
my next one would probably be Portillo's.
Dang, you're hitting all mine.
Oh, you're not gonna like buffalo. Yeah, we're pretty close with that stuff. Like,
Oh shoot.
I feel like we're pretty good with fast food. Good job, Dean. Look what she's doing.
Good job, baby. You're doing it.
Let me try. Oh, okay.
Oh.
Hopefully she doesn't drink or eat the buffaloes. What's your next couple like favorite, Sean?
You know, I gotta go with the OG McDonald's.
I feel like that is a good one. Like, you always have to put that in there because you could literally, I don't know. If anybody says they don't like McDonald's, they're lying and they're just saying that because they don't want to tell people that. I feel like McDonald's is like so good. I don't care. Even if you just get the chicken nuggets because that's what I mean.
The nuggets are the best for sure. 100%.
Oh yeah.
And anybody can argue me on that. I think the nuggets are guaranteed one of the best.
Want to help me?
Or a burger with mac sauce. You can't go wrong with that.
Oh yeah. How's ranch gonna be cooked? I didn't think that one through.
You know, people put ranch in like casseroles and stuff.
Oh, they do. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ranch is like sour cream.
I don't know. I didn't think about it. Like at first, I'm like, wait,
This is
that doesn't
mayonnaise
really make
and
sense.
stuff, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. My
This is gonna be
next.
sick,
Oh, ranch in the hair.
All right, cheese.
What's another good place? I'm trying to think. Like, okay. Who has the best like chicken or chicken tenders, fast food wise? No restaurants. Fast
Tenders?
Food. Yeah.
Mommy.
I mean, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Tenders.
All right, so far we got my ranch and buffalo pizza, and Sean has his Chick-fil-A sauce and barbecue sauce. I already got the mozzarella and Parmesan on there. So stay tuned, people. first contender is mine with the half buffalo, half ranch, cheese all over, fries all over, and regular chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A all over.
Okay, so here we got barbecue sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce, mozzarella cheese, French fries that I just knocked over, and then some chicken. Yeah.
What kind of chicken?
Oh, spicy chicken strips. Yes, spicy chicken strips. So we got spicy chicken strips after the French fries. Yep.
And then at the end, we are gonna pick whose is better. Non-biased though. And here they go.
All right, so here we are. Okay, let's get this out. Oh, here we go. Take one out at a time. If I can get it. There it is. That right there. Okay, and then once I get these both out, I'll let you guys get a good look. Here we go. Oh, we're gonna edit that out. Okay, here we go. Cancel this. All right. Here's Carly's pizza. Okay, and then here is mine.
Wait. Hold up. Did he just turn on the light for his and not ours? Alright guys, we are going to try our pizzas.
They don't need to be in the video.
Alright, I'm gonna try mine first because I have to.
I'm gonna try mine first.
Okay,
gotta
I'm
have
gonna
the
try
spicy
one
one.
of each. I'm scared.
Mmm.
So I have a buffalo and a ranch on mine for now.
Mmm.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's amazing. Try this.
That
Okay,
piece
fine.
right. Mmm.
Which one's that one?
Chick-fil-A. Mmm. Wow, that's really good.
My ranch one is really good. Really good. Because it has like a garlicky taste. When you cook the ranch, oh my god.
What's Carly's?
So good. Is that one good?
Hell yeah.
Alright, let's try my buffalo one. Ranch.
Mommy.
Okay, so I have to say my ranch one's way better than the buffalo side.
Don't worry about your barbecue.
Mommy.
Can you toss me that corner barbecue piece? That's what I want to try of yours.
Mmm. Mmm.
Alright. Here go the honors. This one's really burnt.
But I garlic the crust and stuff, so. This is my second favorite. I'm not even being biased. Ranch is so good. Have you tried the ranch? Chick-fil-A, no. Chick-fil-A's
Okay.
the best one.
You gotta try the ranch.
Mommy.
You have to.
Mommy.
Really good.
Mommy.
Let me see, please.
Mommy.
Oh my god.
Ouch.
There's something about the ranch with the chicken.
Mm.
And like, I don't know. Alright. As a tradition, Sean and I, every time we go to Jewel, have to get out
Scratch offs.
our scratch offs. So I'm gonna go first while we're eating our pizza. You know, just give you some entertainment because we're probably not gonna win. Ooh, my lucky number.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mama.
Okay, let me do it, please. 16. Do we got a 16 in the building? No, we don't. 22. 29. Oh my god. I don't think I got any of them. Right? 4. 29. 22. 16. Nope.
Oh.
No winner.
Michael. 20. 14. 3. 24. So we got 20, 23, 24. Out.
These ones suck.
Cracker Jack, I won 10. I won my money back. This is the only one.
Well, guys, I'm a sad, sore loser.
We just gotta remember this one.
I'm actually pretty sad that I didn't win. I'm just kidding.
Mommy.
What?
Inside.
You want some?
No.
You don't want any?
Inside.
Okay. I'm gonna steal a chicken off Daddy's pizza because that looks good.
Come on, man. You can't steal it off the pizza.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video of the world's greatest pizza
Athena.
with Chick-fil-A
Hey.
added on.
Yes. It was very good. I
have to say my favorite was the ranch. How about you?
mine was my Chick-fil-A.
Yeah.
I mean-
so
You can't go wrong. I almost ate the
what's
whole
going
thing.
on down there, lady?
Look at my pizza. It's almost gone.
But anyways, yeah, so we will do more of these in the future.
For sure.
Testing out different fast food chains on pizza because we love pizza. Right?
Chipotle pizza.
Oh, that one might be our next one, right?
Maybe. It's
Or
weird.
your Culvers. All right, guys. We will see you on the next vlog on Thursday. See you soon.
Bye.